Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the how to create the admin panel. So this is the admin panel. I will be giving the all the source code. You will be able to download this all admin panel. Okay, so you have to use in your project. This is for the React admin panel. So here you can have a you can see this a login. It's a login, simple login here. Go to the login. Here simple login. So here I am not doing any validation part. We just this is just a template made myself. Okay, here if you click on this sign in, so you can see the simple table. So here this is for this one, so drawer. Here you will be able to see the drawer. Here you will be put your company logo. This is the admin panel. You can put it what the name. It's a drawer. Here it's a simple drawer. Okay, so here this is the you all the menus you can add it. Product, order, all the things. Okay, so the how to do the thing is, so first you have to do it. First I'll tell you so how the step how to do the thing is. So it go to first in order to here do so here first react react MUI. Okay, so here I just tell them so how to these things works. So first here you can go to the framework. So here first you have to if you are interested to learn React, first you have to learn React, how the React works. So you go to the Google search, you type MUI. This is which is a React component framework. This is nothing but a React component framework. Here you can have all things. You have to install them. You have given the instruction. Now here I am going to go to type CMD. Now here we have to paste the commands how to install the React npm create white latest. I want to install the latest version of the React using the technology white. Okay, this one we have to simply have to install the React without take much of time. So my React app. So I just put your present. Okay, yes, it has the React. You have to select the up and down arrow to select the React. Here I'm going along with the TypeScript. The JavaScript or TypeScript they are asking. I go along with the TypeScript. TypeScript is the latest one. After that you type npm I mean, which will be the it is I mean it's a short form of npm install. Okay, so here what the problem? Npm sorry. So you go inside this folder. Sorry, here cd my React app. Go inside the folder. You type npm I. Okay, sure. So it is begin installing. You have to wait until the installation completed. Now here it's installed. Here you can see npm run dev using the command to copy this paste on it here. It's working here, it's working successfully. Okay, so here you can find all the components. So you can have it here. If you go here, if you're there's a component section, you can find all the components here. Button, text field, everything is there. Okay, so I have used one of this. So how to install this one in your machine? I just install it. Tell them, let's go find it the installation. Copy this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to open this project in my VS Code editor. Code cmd code space dot to open my project in VS Code editor. So you can have a installation part here. Here I'm going to install. Okay, it installed successfully. Now here you can see here there is a app.txt. Here this is the default one. So here I'm going to get rid of this all the lines. So that we have write it over here. I'm going to put it to this button. So as a button component section, there's a button. There's a button here. Copy this button, paste on it here. Control S to save. Bring back to the application. Uh, okay, here the problem is here we have to call the button, but this button here where's the button? It's a button. Expand the code. That call the button here. The material library haven't import this one. This button reside on the this material library. Copy this and paste on it here. This one. Control S to save. Here this button is there. Here. Simply you can have it. With this one, all the things we don't need them. This is just a warning. Just this is a button. This one I just all things we don't need them. Just here you can see this is a button. Okay, the simple one you have to make it. How I made this application. So here I have made the drawer. This is a drawer. This is a drawer source code. You can get it the source code from over here. So this is source code. You can get it over here. Okay. Response you can put it the stack. Here you can how the things works. Here this will be explained. Okay, so here you can have it the source code over here. Here this is a code. Here this code over again. Copy and paste it the relevant component. It should work. Okay, so that's how we have made these pages. Okay, this is the drawer. After that we have to make the tables structure. We have to get the from here. How to find the table? Here you can the search bar here table. Okay, there are various table types are there. I already explained. You can get this one table. Everything's there. Okay, if you are a form design, also I'm getting from the form. There's a form. The form also you can write the text field. Form consists of text box. The text field. There are various text fields. I'm getting from here. Okay, this is how you have get it from in order to make this project. This icons, the icon also bringing from there is icon. Materialize icon. This icon. Get the icons. Okay, so you have to I have put into this code in my website. You will be able to download and use it in your project. Okay, this is some simple materialize design. Here you have a simple here. This form or this form you can call it or everything. Okay, here this is all things are there. Include this product page here. Product section, all things are there. Okay, you can include this one. simple form. Here edit also there. Okay. Thank you for watching. This form I am going to put into my video description. You will be able to download and use it. So here this one, after you have out this downloaded, so here what we are going to do is I have to the node modules I am going to delete them. So here what you are going to do is after download this design from your machine, you have to install it npm install. Okay, after downloaded, your project structure is look like this way. Okay, it's look like this way. After download, it's look like this. Okay, here in this folder the npm node module is not available. You have to install them. Okay, code cmd npm I to install it. Then you have to get all the node modules. After that, you have to run npm run dev. You have to get it this admin panel. Okay, thank you for watching.